Your morning decides your whole day. Let's make it better. Start by waking up calmly, not rushing, not stressing. Stretch your body, wake up your muscles slowly. Drink water first, your body needs it after sleep. Let sunlight in, it wakes up your mind naturally. Sit quietly, just breathe for a moment. Deep breaths help clear your thoughts. Think of one thing you're grateful for. Write one simple goal for today. Move your body, even a little movement helps. Look at yourself and smile. Tell yourself, today will be a good day. Eat something light and healthy. Take your time, don't rush your morning. Stay organized and be ready on time. Pause for a second before stepping out. Step into your day with a positive mindset. Small habits, big changes. Start tomorrow morning.